नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों आज हम लोग हॉलीवुड पे एसबीआई क्लर्क का सेकंड नंबर का मॉक करेंगे। कल मैंने फर्स्ट नंबर का मॉक दिया था, उसमें मेरे 79 आए थे। तो इसे आप अटेम्प्ट कर लेना, ये बिल्कुल फ्री है फर्स्ट नंबर का मॉक। और दोस्तों मुझे कई सारे मेरे दोस्त पूछ रहे थे कि मैं एसबीआई क्लर्क का फॉर्म कहाँ से फिल करूँगा। तो मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ और मुझे नहीं लगता मैं दूसरे स्टेट में रह सकता हूँ और मतलब पूरे मतलब 5-10 साल और उसके बाद भी ट्रांसफ़र की पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत कम है। तो मैं अपने स्टेट से ही फिल करूँगा और यहाँ पे वैकेंसी 100 है, मतलब पूरा जनरल और सब मिला के ओबीसी वगैरह। तो अभी कट ऑफ वगैरह तो ज़्यादा ही जाएगा यहाँ पे, लेकिन मैं फिर भी यहाँ से ही फिल करूँगा क्योंकि दूसरे स्टेट में जाके नहीं रह सकते हम लोग। तो ये मेरा ओपिनियन है। दोस्तों आप कहाँ से फील करोगे, आप कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। और दोस्तों टेलीग्राम को भी आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, वो एक पर्टिकुलरली डिस्कशन ग्रुप है। तो उसकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। तो चलिए दोस्तों मॉक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। रीजनिंग इसको लास्ट में करेंगे। 7 स्टूडेंट्स, logically only a few lenses are tripod, only a few lenses are tripod, some tripod are reflector, all cameras are lenses, some cameras are reflector, all reflectors are lenses, neither, all pillars are spires, all pillars are spires, all columns are pillars, only a few towers are columns, only a few towers are columns, some spires are tower, some spire are towers, no column is spire, no column is spire, only one. Some hills are computers, some hills are computer, some computer are TVS, all TVS is Rasam, some Rasams are computer, some Rasams are hill, some Rasams are hills, only one. All ones are tails, all ones are tails, no tail is ham, all ham are flakes, some flakes are ham, some flakes are hams, two, no ham is one, no ham is one, both. 7 people were seated in linear row, 2 3 4 5 6 7, some of them facing north while some of them facing south, are seated second from one of the end, are seated second from one of the end, and is third to the right of Q. ES is second to the left of Q. Q is seated third to the left of ES. Q is seated third to the left of ES. And both are facing the same direction. Both are facing the same direction. P is seated immediate left of U and second to the right of V. V is facing south. T and P are facing same direction. T and P are facing same direction. The person seated immediate right of R is facing north. Immediate right of R is facing north. Who sit third to the right of P? No one. How many people seated to the left of U facing north? एक. Four of the following similar ESP RV U. ESP RV U. P. V seated immediate right of R. U seated third to the right of V. Who seated second to the left of U. R. इसको बाद में करेंगे. There are 8 people in a bank. Decreasing order. Director, deputy director, president, vice president, manager, CSR accountant, manager, CSR accountant, clerk. Three people are junior to J. J is senior to M, who is not working in lowermost. He works as president in the bank. P and Q are senior to K. P and Q are senior to K. Who is senior to L and M? Who is senior to L and M? Who is junior to N? P does not work as director. N O. Who among the following senior to P, Q? Who among the following working as CSR, O? Which of the following is true? J is senior to Q. Only 3 people are senior to N. Among the following works at the lowermost, L. Q, N, N, M, P, M. Q, N, N, M, P, M. P, M. J, L. In a show, 7 types of women's shoes are kept on 7 different racks. 1 to 7 from bottom to top. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B are kept above loafers. B are kept above loafers, but not immediately. F are kept immediately below. F are kept immediately above. There are 2 racks between T-straps and boots. Boot. The stilettos are not kept immediately above next to boots or T-strap. T-straps are kept above the boots but not on rank 7. EM are not above loafers, EM below loafers. E एक तो बूट, E एक तो बूट, एक बूट. EM FF P L च्या खाली M S L M. Mhm. B double L S. We are kept above the locker but not immediately. If you have kept immediately below means there are two rides between T steps and boot. Not immediately next to. Which of the following is kept on the lowest rack boot? Which of the following is on rack 5? L. Which of the following are kept above? S. B. Four of the following are arc in Sultan way: BL, EF, BL, EF, EMB, EMB, SM. Who is sitting immediate right of A? 8 person, namely A, B, C, D, H, R, sit on a square table, but not necessarily in the same order. 4 person sitting at the corner away. 4 5 6 7 8 3 3 6 2 8. C is sitting at the corner. 3 people sit between C and H. D is sitting immediate right of H. 1 person sitting between D and B. B who's to the left of D. E sits at the corner and no one sits between E and G. F sits third to the left of G. H, D, B, C. E out. E, E, G, F. E चाहे मतलब B, E, G, E, F. Who sits immediate right of A, C? How many persons sit between G and H right of H? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Who sits opposite to G? B. 4 of the following are in a certain way: E, C, D, F, H. E, C, D, F, H, D. Which of the following is true? E is seated third to the right of D and C is immediate left of A. False. A family consists of 6 members such that 3 of them is males. A is the sister-in-law of C. A is the sister-in-law of C. He is the son of M. He is son of M. He does not have brother. He is sister-in-law of H. He is sister-in-law of H. He does not have any sibling. K has two children. K has two children. Either both of none of the parents are alive. And he does not have brother. He does not have sibling. He does not have sibling. K is two children. He is the sister-in-law of H. How H is related to C? Few of them are males. How H is related to C? Niece. How M is related to E? Mother-in-law. How K is related to H? Mother. What is the difference between the highest digit of the second highest number and the lowest digit of lowest number? Highest digit of the second highest number. 4. What is the difference between the highest digit of the second highest number? आता तुमचा 3. If the digits of each number are arranged in increasing order, then how many numbers thus formed will end in an odd number digit? 1, 2, 2. If 12 is added to each number, then how many numbers are divisible by 6? 268. Uh, 260. Number target 53. 36. Only 1. If the lowest digit of each number is dropped and remaining digits are interchanged, then which of the following numbers will be correspond to the second lowest number after the operation? 52, 5, 7, 6, 4, 8, 8, 3. Second lowest number. Second lowest number. First, second, 7. If the digit at each odd position in each number is increased by 1, then and the digit at even position is decreased by 1, smallest digit of the highest number 7, smallest digit of the highest number. SCRAMBLA ABCDEGHANMN लेटर टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ आर 1 2 3 4 5 सी एरोप्लेन AEROPLANE BCDEFGHIJK थोड़ा टाइम मेरा ठीक है, अच्छी हुई इसमें अटेम्प्ट। दरवाजा लाओ तो अब कौन को करते हैं स्टार्ट। और गेम है इसमें। ठीक है दोस्तों, अब कौन को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसको बाद में करेंगे। 125% ऑफ 280 डिवाइडेड बाई 35 7 40 बाई 7 प्लस 5 माइनस x इज इक्वल टू x 2x 75 बाई 7 प्लस 10.7। कुछ तो गलत किया मैंने इसमें। 125 डिवाइडेड बाई 100 280 350 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 प्लस 5 15 5 15 x 7.5। अरे यार इसमें 729 9 प्लस 35 84 और x 9 प्लस 35 म्हणजे 44 4 1/4 4/12 28 30 18 2 5 4 7 माइनस 18 3 8 11 माइनस 11 8 2 थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाना होगा इसमें। 25 625 माइनस 144 के लिए 8 4 481 माइनस 361 0 2 120 40 33 27 to 70 डिवाइडेड बाय 45 इंटू 3 प्लस 3 12 36 6 15 20 8x by 7 is equal to 64 by x into 14 8 where 7 into 2 7 into 2 2 into 2 into 2 4 70 70 minus 17 plus 5 75 42 minus 42 40 plus 39 is equal to x plus 21 35 minus 21 9 14 65 थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाना हो गया यार 9 by 25 into 245 minus 12 by 25 into 175 is equal to 10 minus x 784 1 is 8 980 minus 84 not 8 8 कुछ तो गलत हुआ है following bar graph represent the number of people from 5 different societies morning walk JKLMN JKLMN morning walk evening walk morning walk evening walk एक एक दो तीन चार पाँच 20 5 30 30 30 150 50 80 85 100 105 95 135 140 125 75 number of people from K and L together 50 right 90 who do evening work कर यार 90 is what percentage more or less than people same societies together morning walk 250 6 by 25 24%. If from society 60 people do both morning walk and evening walk how many people in society either do only morning walk or evening walk this 15 if the ratio of number of males to females from L to evening walk 2 3 35 females 70. What is the ratio of number of people from J and M together? M together who do morning walk? Is what percentage of people from K and N who evening? 25:32. J and M 25. K and N who do evening walk? K and N who do morning walk? J and M. What's this? 35. Yes, 40% of population of society M to evening walk. 20% of EL who do morning walk. EL and EM respectively. Ownership paths. 40% of the population of EM do evening walk. Number of students participated. Following pie chart represent the percent breakup of sports league 1200. Number of students participates in sport league from E 33 is what percent more or less than B and C 30 by 10. The average number of students participating in sport league from BDF is 300 or 68. That is the ratio of students from E and F respectively. 33. Is what is the difference between number of students participated in A and E? 12 choice. In sports league 45% students from C are males. How many females in of C and D? 5%, 6 deep and percent. पैसा if 30% of students from B participated in sport league, sports league, how many students are there in college B? B 30% of students from B participated in sport league. U3 minus 10 minus 1 is greater than Y. Minus 5 minus 3 X is less than Y. 3 बची 15 1 sin 3 plus 6 minus 3 30 3 15. X is less than or equal to 6 3 6. X is less than or equal to Y. minus 4 minus 3 X is less than Y. ABC build wall in 20 days. B and C 18. Cost of pen and pencil is 1 in 20. Pencil 20. 36% of 9 by 25 to 245. तीनशे 810 2 4 48 4 गेले 8 40% of population of society M 40% of population of society M do evening walk. 595 140 50. We will do morning walk. 5 7:10. If only 30% of the students from B participated in sport league. Is equal to 30 divide 10, 800. A is subtracted from twice of B, then resultant obtained equal to 1/3 of A. If A and B is 70, 6B minus 3A is equal to A. 4A 6B, B by A is equal to 2 by 3 x. X is equal to 70. B 149. 6B is equal to 0. A plus B 420. 10 A is equal to 42. A is equal to 42. 28. पता नहीं यार वो कंप्लीट हुआ कि नहीं, लेकिन मैथ में अटेम्प्ट बहुत कम रहे इसमें। ठीक है, अब इंग्लिश को करते हैं स्टार्ट। इसको लास्ट में करेंगे। आफ्टर अ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड, 1 मिनट। आफ्टर अ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड इलनेस माय मदर वाज वीक एंड tired. I learned to communicate my needs and be more mindful of the needs of I learned to communicate my needs and be more mindful of the needs of others. The company has wins production partners worldwide. The company has getting production partners. Company has secure production partners worldwide. Engage nahi. Getting. Vietnam is the largest exporter of cashew nuts and black pepper. He cooked up a story about the crime. The cook did not turn up to work. My mother cooking this dish. All 1 to 3. Nails. Whenever I feel nervous, I started biting my nails. It seemed like her son really nailed that test. He fixed the placard to the post using a nail. He fixed the place. The current status of the situation is not known to anyone yet. When I was a kid, my aunt always used to bring currant for me. Don't put your hands in the bucket, there's current in the water. 1 and 3. School asked me. When the light bulb became cheap and better, when the light bulb became cheap and better, everyone ditched kerosene and started buying the bulb. If I will get my salary in advance, I will buy you a drink. No matter how rich one becomes, one must never forget his background. There is many sheep out there. The Delhi High Court stayed in the pruning of over 800 trees in the city's upscale Vasant Vihar neighborhood. The guidelines are aimed at providing protection and care to foliage and the national capital. डी तो नहीं है, GUID guidelines, GUID GUI. The march ignited the public imagination and catapulted him onto the opposition front line. The renowned artist drew inspiration from the gorgeousness of nature, capturing the vivid colors and intricate RE. There has been a lot of discussion and debate on this underrepresentation of women in the sciences. Historically, academies have been male with the According to the passage, what did the early part of 20th century witness the regard to representation of women? What did the study by ISC reveal? Women represented in senior academics increased from 13%. According to the passage, which of the following organization was working towards representation of women in science? Yes, A. What course of action has author recommended in the passage? Women should be prime minister, girl child should be educated. Which of the following is correct in mathematics? Women represent just 10%. There are only 10 females in the. According to the passage, what strategy had the Royal Netherlands Academy of Arts? Which of the following similar meaning to the verism? What is more verism is the. Which of the following opposite meaning to retain? Science Academy contribution to promote and retain women in science. Reject. The following should replace the phrase severely imbalance. In 17 and 18, to address the severely imbalance, to address the severe imbalance, it rendered India the 78th most corrupt country in the world. 2018. The Corruption Perception Index ranks 180 countries and terrorists by their perceived level of public sector corruption among experts and business people. Further, the CPI also stated that efforts to curb corruption in Asia Pacific are having little effect. The reason for such little effect is little respect for the rule of law competing government beneficiaries. Also, there are often nuclear and unfair regulatory and taxation system. CD. B. The corruption. CPI ranks 180 countries and terrorists by their perceived level of public sector corruption among expert and business people. Business people. Words and business people. It rendered India the 78th most corrupt country in the world 2018. BAECD. The CPI 180. It rendered India the 78th most corrupt country in the world 2018. Also, there are often unclear and unfair regulatory and taxation systems. The CPI also stated that they do the following: first, second, third E, fourth C, D. When the light bulb become cheap and better, everyone ditched kerosene and started buying the bulb. If I will get my salary in advance, I will buy you a drink. No matter how rich one becomes, one must never forget his background. No matter how rich one becomes, one must never forget his background. E. The course of action has the author recommended in the passage. Science, technology and innovation policy should be introduced. Science academies should make science inclusive and sensitive. Women should be prime minister of all the countries. Girl child should be educated. तो दोस्तों इसमें यार बहुत ही कम मार्क्स आए मेरे, 68 सिर्फ। और रीजनिंग में 86.5% आया है। यहाँ पे मतलब 2 गलत हो गए और 29.50 स्कोर बना। फॉन्ट में एक गलत हुआ, यहाँ पे अटेम्प्ट ही बहुत कम रहे। थोड़ा सा मेरा मतलब 2-3 दिन से प्रैक्टिस कम रही, थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे मतलब मेरी स्पीड कम बन रही है। तो यहाँ पे 23.75 स्कोर रहा। और इंग्लिश में भी बहुत ज़्यादा गलत हो गए, 14.75 स्कोर बना। यहाँ पे ओवरऑल 68 बना, जो कि यार बहुत कम है। ठीक है, तो दोस्तों आपका क्या स्कोर रहा आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना, और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।